The package with the wasabi plant arrived. I'm going to open it and plant it over there by the spring. Let's see what's inside. It's quite a big package, which is nice. Here's the wasabi plant. I'm gonna take it out. That's how big it is. Most of the packaging was just to hold the plant up so it doesn't get damaged. And here it is in all its glory and beauty. I'm gonna take it out of the pot and plant it. It's a nice treat, something lovely to do after finishing the book. I think that's where it's going to go. I'll move the pebble to the side and just plant it in there. That's how wasabi likes to grow, with running water nearby, running spring water and pebbles with nice drainage. I moved the pebbles aside and you can see it's like slightly bit of soil wet, which got wet from the spring, but it's mostly pebbles in here. The soil or the ground is much more underneath the pebbles. You can see here lots of pebbles in here, and then it's hard rocks. You can see, and we'll experiment and see how the wasabi does in here. If not, we'll move it in a more shady position, but it will be very nice if it thrives in here, in this spot by the spring. And this is the kind of soil it grew in, very loose. And it looks slightly acidic as well, a bit similar to what blueberries would grow in, or maybe even strawberries. Very well drained soil. Just gonna gently put it in here. I'm not sure how it's going to do in this position because sometimes we get really strong winds, but we'll keep it under observation. Now just moving the pebbles back. I'm gonna bring a bit of water just to help it settle in. You can see other types of plants are growing in here, so the wasabi should grow well as well. Also, you see how well the water drains, so it's not stagnant water. Beautiful shaped leaves, a little bit damage here. It was only normal to happen being in packaging. And I'll say what I usually say when I plant new beings in the garden. It's grow, baby, grow. Done planting the wasabi. I'm not sure if you can hear the spring running, but yeah, this is what I wanted to celebrate with you, finishing the book and planting the wasabi and continuing the spring path through the garden. Thank you for watching.